about adventure times. Another drinking.
First, you will start by removing the two clips. Once the two clips have been removed, you can remove the air intake duct. Next, you will remove the two bolts holding the air intake box using a 10mm socket. Undo the two clips and remove the front part of the intake box to access the running light. To remove the bulb, you'll want to twist it counterclockwise. It is a tight fit, so this may be challenging. Now remove the old bulb. Once removed, connect the new LED bulb. You'll want to insert the LED bulb into the housing and twist clockwise.
When you're next to me.